All right, you just bought yourself a brand new fancy pair of mining pants. And yes, this is the fancier version that also brings in your PSU heat. So we are going to show you how to install it today. Very easy. First, we're going to take off the old fan screws. One fan. And this will be for your dual 120 millimeter ant miners. Oh, lost the screw. Boom, just like that. Pull all the fan screws out to grab the one off the ground. Now what we're gonna do is, once you get your shroud or your mining pants, it'll automatically have the PSU one put in there. If you don't want to run the stock fans, you can just pull these off and do the spoofer, but we're gonna keep the fans on and we're gonna keep this in here. So then all you gotta do, place it right over. I would start on this top right. It's easier to get one screw in all the way into the fan. Make sure you're not pinching any wires in here, but it should go right around it. And then what we're gonna do, lift it into place, thread it in a little bit, and then the next step, we're gonna rotate that fan up, get one of the screws in through here. Should go, there we go. And then we're gonna do the same thing as we did on the right, slide up and start screwing a little bit. So that'll take care of the top two. Then we also have one over here that we're going to take care of on the right side for this top fan. Now everything should be lined up for that top fan. And then there's going to be one screw that will get inside. See if we can get that a little bit better. We're going to want to rotate it all the way through, pop it in, get it almost tight. So you can see there. The next thing we're gonna do is we'll take care of the bottom fan. So same thing, pop it up, line up this top right fan screw always. It's always easiest just to get it going. Prop it into place and thread it in a little bit. Should be right there. There it is. Thread in. Then we're going to take care of the top fan inside, or the top screw. Prop it up. It's hard to work around this camera, sorry. Screw that in a little bit. Might have to lift up the fan, pop it in through the threads, and get it started. Then we only have two more left. Bottom right. Boom. And the very bottom left for the bottom fan. We can thread that in there. All the way in. Screw it in. Boom. Now we're going to tighten them all. Probably doesn't matter, but I tighten all of the screws. Same method as screwing in or tightening a car tire. I do crisscross. Probably don't have to, but I always do it. And voila! Just like that, you got your new pair of mining pants on your ant miner, and you're also now going to pull in that PSU heat. So there we go. And just like that,